Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Father's Day discounts. Father's Day is quickly approaching, and while shoppers love a good deal, unlimited offers can cut into your profits faster than you think. We are here to help you navigate these challenges and make the most of your Father's Day campaigns. Father's Day means high sales volume, which is fantastic for business. However, uncapped discounts can lead to significant profit loss. Let's explore the issue with the uncapped discounts in more detail. When you set a percentage discount without a cap, the larger the customer's cart value, the bigger the discount becomes, directly shrinking your margins. For example, a $1,000 card with a 35% discount means you lose a $350 in potential profit. This can be very risky for your store's profitability. So, what's the fix to this problem? The solution is to add a discount cap. For example, you can offer 35% off up to $150 only. This way, customers will get the great value and your profit margins remains protected. Let's look at the key benefits of implementing cap discounts. Cap discounts give you precise control over large cart orders, preventing excessive deductions from your potential revenue. They protect your revenue and help build trust with the customers through the transparent and fair discount offers. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out and follow along with me. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as the discount type and add for any discount code. Let's add a 35% off for now. I'm planning to give a 35% off for discount with a capping amount of $150. So this capping amount will make sure that the customer will be getting a discount amount up to $150 only. That is, this amount will never go beyond $150 even if the 35% of the cart value is higher than $150. So you can apply your discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirements, you can set it over here. For now, I am not adding any minimum purchase requirements. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tax or only on first order customers like that. And you can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. If I am giving 100 here, then this code or this offer will be available for first 100 users. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And in case of active dates, you can configure some start date, start time, or end date or end time like that, through which you want to run this offer or this code is valid. Like if you are planning to run this offer of the Father Day sale of 10 days before Father Day or a month or a week of this festival, then those timings or those dates you can set up over here. And you can also combine this discount with the existing ones like product discount, order discount or shipping discount. So after adding all these details, you can save it. Now let's check whether the code has been activated from the discount section. Now you can see that the 35% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this in our online store. So I'm planning to buy a product of $234. I'm adding this to the cart. Let's apply our code here. Now you can see that the 35% of 234, which is 81, has been applied successfully, and this customer will be getting a discount amount of 81, which is the correct amount of 35% of their cart value. Now let's test with some other product with a higher price. Let's try to buy this product of worth 5,000. Let's add our code here. Now you can see that the 35% of 5,000 is greater than 150. Since we have capped our discount amount at $150, the customer will be getting a maximum of the discount amount as 150. So, by using this capping amount, whenever we are running a large percentage based offers, it's a smarter way to stay generous without giving away too much, which means the 150 will be the limit value of the maximum. So, while you are waiting for, grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store on your Father's Day sale. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. Please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.